Need to gather opinions from your group? Here's how to create a poll on WhatsApp. First, open the group chat where you want to create the poll. Tap on the paperclip icon to open the attachment menu. This is usually located at the bottom of your chat. From the menu, select Poll. Type in the question you want to ask and then enter the options for your poll. Once you are done, tap Send. The poll will appear in the chat and group members can vote on it. Polls are a great way to get feedback on quick decisions or plan events with your group. Have you ever used a poll on WhatsApp? Share your experience in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.